Steam fish and crackers, my way. Now from the other day, if cook them fish here, and me not get a chance. So I did season them and everything, them well prepared ready. And all I had to do was just put them in the freezer because I never get a chance to cook them. Anyways, a long time I no cook, I miss my food. I got some okay food in New York. But I come back and I feel for the steam fish. I love my food. I create the perfect flavor for my taste palette. And in doing that, a lot of people love my food. Anyways, I tell you about the fish ready. May I go steam it frozen same way. But there's a tip that's a great way. Just season your fish and put it down. If you jump, I don't know what I reach. But I use butternut squash. I cut that up. I cut some smaller and some a little bigger because I like some kind of cook out in the sauce, you know. Create that nice rich flavor. Also cut up some onion, garlic, green Scotch bonnet pepper. That's a good pepper. That pepper full of flavor. Smell good as I make it from New York. Now, pattern this over. We hit it with some of our very own, very necessary spiced oil. Listen, do not sleep on the spice oil. Our island spice oil. Great on so many things. Now, I add some garlic in them. I slice them. I cut them how you want cut them. Fry them off for about 30 seconds. Then I hit it with my onions. If I did add some shallot, I use. I stir that in thoroughly because I try to wilt them down. Then the tomato join the party. All my tomato them don't go bad. So this is a perfect way to use them. I stir fry that because I try to wilt that down too. And I set the flavor where I come out from doing all that. I hit it with some of our very own, very necessary jerk seasoning original. Hit the orange basket above my username to shop them. And then some scallion, mainly the white part, but some green was in it. Then me hit it with the squash. Stir that in thoroughly, and from this I add some cock soup. As a matter of fact, I ended up adding a whole pack of cock soup. Because when I season my fish, I never put no whole heap of season on them, and that's a good way to do it. I want to retain that yellow color. So I added some turmeric. And because I added some turmeric, I added some black pepper because that activated turmeric. I stir that in thoroughly, and then I hit it with hot water. If you know me, I make steam fish in broth. That's a way that I've been doing for years, and I have a lot of videos on here doing that. I also added some butter. I bring that to a boil, and then I added the pepper, green Scotch bonnet. Oh my God, flavor was so flipping good. I added some thyme, and then I added the fish right there. So the fish them still frozen. I added some more water because I know how much juice I look for. I wanted to cover the fish them with the water because this is kind of like a soup. This is the way I make it. I love it this way. I like dry steam fish. I've never liked dry steam fish. Now every now and then I watch it because I watch how far the water go down. So I taste it. That's a good time to taste it. It was fresh, so I hit it with a little Creole seasoning, but that's a great time to taste it. And then I added the rest of the cock soup to it. I make that cook down some more until the noodles cook, the fish cook, the pumpkin cook, everything cook. And because the way I started it, everything just kind of cook evenly one time. I added my okra about 5 minutes before I take it off. I just put them in the middle, make them do their thing, make that boil down. After I boil down, I'm going to turn off the heat, I put the crackers them in there. And just cover it down and let it sit for a 5-10 minutes if you want, because the crackers them can take sauce and them still not go soft. Me also make some festive puppies. Me have a video coming. I tell you guys about that. And me serve this up. Oh my God, with some of the festive puppies. I call them festive puppies because it's festival. But I had hush puppies at the airport for the first time the other day in Charlotte Airport. And to me, they're like mini festivals. So I cut the festivals in the size of the hush puppies. And yes, you get festive puppies. So festival made like hush puppies. Look pan the pumpkin. You see, that's why I cut some small and some big. So some cook out. You see the gravy nice and rich. Look pan the sauce. Not the gravy, the sauce. That's a soup, watch there. Perfect. So flavorful. All the flavors just came together so nice. The crackers were perfect. My okras was done good. The okra them I say one. The okra them nice. The sauce nice. The festive puppies in the sauce. Oh my flipping God. So good. You guys must try this. If you've never made a fish this way, look for everything. Look for the tough crackers. Them no overcook. Kind of dumpling it. Listen, I'm going to tell you, we're going to go try this.